Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into managing a nonprofit organization using Airtable, your 2025 full guide. Our first step is to set up an Airtable base. A base is essentially a database that will hold all our information. We'll name it Nonprofit Management. This is important because it's the foundation for all the work we're going to do. Now that we've done that, let's move on to creating tables. We'll need three main tables: donors, donations, and projects. This helps us because each table will hold different types of data, allowing us to keep our information organized and easily accessible. The reason we do this is to ensure we have a structured and clear overview of all our activities. Remember, a well-structured database is key to efficient nonprofit management. Next up, let's populate our tables. We'll add data like donor names, contact information, amount and date of donations, and project details. Let me explain why this matters. Having all this data in one place will allow us to easily analyze and make informed decisions. Now, once we have our data in place, it's time to link our tables. We do this by creating linked records. For example, we can link a donor with their specific donations and projects they've funded. This is crucial as it allows us to see the relationships between different pieces of data. Finally, we'll use Airtable's automation feature to automate recurring tasks. For instance, we can set up an automation to send thank you emails to donors whenever a new donation is recorded. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. The automation feature is helping us save time and increase efficiency. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to manage your nonprofit organization using Airtable. Remember, the key is to keep your data organized, make use of the linking feature, and automate tasks where possible. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.